Okay, I'm going to help you with some of the problems that you're doing for your at-home work, either on Thursday or Friday. So we had some two-step equations. So say I have something like this: 4x plus 8 equals 28. All right, so remember you want to get rid of this plus 8 first. So you're going to do the opposite. I'm going to do it in red. Subtract 8. And whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. So you're going to subtract 8 here. These two will cancel out. Leaves you with this 4x, so you can bring down that 4x. And then on the right side over here, you're going to do the math. So you would say 28 minus 8 is 20. Whoops, get the pen back. Is 20. Now, this side by side here that you have, side by side means to multiply. So you're going to do the opposite. Instead of multiplying by 4, you're going to divide by 4. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. So you're going to divide by 4. These cancel out. There's that x by itself. Then on the right side, you're going to do the math. 20 divided by 4 is 5. And there is your answer. Okay, do the same way with the subtraction one. Let's say you've got 6x minus 10 equals 38. The first thing you want to do is get rid of this minus 10. So you're going to do the opposite, and you're going to add 10. And whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. These cancel out, leave you with 6x. 38 plus 10 is 48. Now, I've got side by side here. Side by side means to multiply. So instead of dividing by 6, instead of multiplying by 6, I'm going to divide by 6. And whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. These cancel out, leave me with x, and 48 divided by 6 is 8. Okay, then I have a table. And let's say I have hours. Here's your x. And miles is your y. Okay, so over here I asked you to find the k. Remember, k is y over x. So I just picked the first numbers. So I can say k is 160 over 2. Now, if you want to say 160 divided by 2, which is what this is saying, you could also say that it equals 80. You can give me this answer or you can give me this answer. They're both right. I can't talk today, guys. Sorry. Then it says write the equation. And I've already got a y equals. So remember, the equation is y equals kx. So you already got the y equals. We know the k is 80 from up here. And then you just put an x. Or you could do y equals 160 over 2x. Either one of those are correct answers. And then on the back, you have two graphs. I'm just going to make a really fast graph. So I usually go to the first point if it's a good point. Remember, these are your x's and these are your y's. So when you want to find k, it's going to be y over x. Y over x. Well, I don't want to write x, do I? It's going to be 40 over 2. Or again, you could say 40 divided by 2, and that's 20. Either one of these answers is correct. You already have your y equals. So you know your k is 20x, or it could be y equals 40 over 2x. Either way. If you need me, if this doesn't help, email